Pepeso. Pepeso. Pepe. No, Pepe. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm with Kate.
Christian.
And for today's video, as you probably see from the title, she going to try to speak in Creole. And yes, that's it. And we're going to do the same thing. Just to Christian.
Yes.
Yes.
English speaking.
So she gonna like ask me to translate 3 sentences. So the first one is the easy one. The second one, the medium one, like in the middle between the third one and the first one, and the third one is the hardest one. That's it. So let's start. Game. No, professor.
You also have to say professor.
Professor.
Oui. Dillo anche tu.
Professor.
Repeat for him.
Professor. Pepe. No,
professor, very professor.
It's not Pepe.
Professor.
Oui.
Professor mucho.
The second one.
Mi fa male la testa.
So, moi la tête me fait mal.
Moi la tête me fa mal.
Moi la tête
Moi la tête
fait mal.
Moi la tête me fait mal.
He's more better than me.
It's not true.
Cosa?
Tu sei più brava di me.
Non è vero.
Like the pronunciation, like it's better. So yeah.
I want to try again.
What's the
next one? Lol.
Moi la tête me fait mal.
Moi la tête me fa mal.
Moi la tête me fait mal.
Moi la tête me fa mal.
Moi la tête me fait mal.
Moi la tête me fa mal.
Oh my god! You're so good! Last one.
Ok. Vorrei avere tanti soldi per visitare tutto il mondo. Paconè. Few moments later.
Wait.
Dillo anche tu, Cri.
Paconè.
Paconè.
Repeat that.
Vorrei avere tanti soldi.
Mon vie. Get beaucoup d'argent.
It's too hard, I can't.
Like, mon vie get beaucoup d'argent.
Mon vie, Mon vie.
Gagne beaucoup d'argent.
Gagne beaucoup d'argent.
L'argent.
To copy you.
Okay. Like, give me another sentence. I think it's too hard though.
If you want to say it.
I'm so funny. And I know that.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes.
I'm gonna translate that. Mon vilain me connaît. Say that.
Mon vilain me connaît.
No. And this mean?
This Maggie.
I said it before.
I'm funny and I know it.
Yeah, true. Say that. Mon vilain
What
me
a
connaît.
blue.
Mon vilain me connaît.
Okay.
So yeah, that's it for today, guys. It's the end of this video.
Yeah.
And remember to leave a thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Go to the description down below and go.
What?
And go.
And
Go.
what?
And go.
What? And what?
I don't speak
What?
English.
I don't speak English. I don't speak English.
Sorry, not sorry.